Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Neo4j Aura to your connected payment method, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Neo4j Aura, start by logging into your Neo4j Aura account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the billing section in the left-hand menu. Click on billing to access your billing details. Next, find the withdrawal option within the billing section. Select the withdrawal option to proceed with the transaction. You will see a prompt displaying your current balance. Review the amount you wish to withdraw. If the amount is correct, click on the Withdraw button. A new window will appear to confirm your withdrawal request. Ensure that your connected payment method is correctly displayed. If you need to update or change your payment method, follow the prompts accordingly. Once confirmed, click Submit to initiate the withdrawal process. Wait for the withdrawal confirmation message to appear. This message will inform you of the estimated processing time. After submitting, check your email for any additional instructions or confirmations. Access your payment method to verify that the funds have been successfully transferred. If there are any issues, revisit the billing section for further instructions or contact support. You have now completed the withdrawal process from Neo4j Aura to your connected payment method. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.